smell alcohol in him, and he seems kind of disoriented. So.
Well, so with all that being said, I think we'd like to conduct a DWI investigation. Okay. You willing to work through that with us? Yeah. Okay.
Outwatches 5-6.
The Chief Deputy District Attorney at the San Juan County District Attorney's Office is facing charges of drunk driving after he left the scene of an accident with his truck. Police said 53-year-old Dustin O'Brien had no recollection of leaving his truck and was confident he was not under the influence.
Hi, Mr. O'Brien. How's it going, sir? Are you okay? Are you okay, sir? Yeah. Okay. Were you involved in an accident, sir? No? Okay. Are you sure? Are you okay, sir? Yeah? Do you know where you're at?
Speedway.
I'm sorry?
Speedway.
The Speedway? Okay, are you sure you're okay, sir? So, Mr. O'Brien, we found your truck, okay? There's camera footage saying it hit a wall. Are you sure you're okay? Were you involved in an accident?
No.
No? Okay, Mr. O'Brien, can you have my supervisor come down and speak with you, okay? All right, sir. Let me give him a call because I don't want to put this over the radio. I'm going to give him a call so I don't have to put it over the radio, okay? Hey, sir, it's me. Yeah, we're here next to the Dairy Queen. Do you want to come over? Okay. Yes. But I... Okay. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, he's here, and I'll just wait for you to get here. Okay. Are you headed to your house, sir?
Yeah.
Huh? You were? Okay. We'll just wait for Sergeant Hardy to get here. Sorry, we'll just wait for Sergeant Hardy to get here, okay? Huh? It's closed, sir. See, it says closed. Yeah, it's. You do know where you're at, right? It's a dog grooming business, and it's closed. Okay. Are you injured at all, sir? Do you need medics? No? Okay. Are you sure? Okay. Just want to make sure that you're taken care of, sir. So Mr. O'Brien was standing out here as I was driving by. Obviously his truck is on scene. Hit a car. They have ring camera footage. They described him to a T. Red and black, blue flannel shirt, brown flip-flops, brown shorts. Can smell alcohol in him, and he seems kind of disoriented. So.
Well, so with all that being said, I think we'd like to conduct a DWI investigation. Okay. You willing to work through that with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to do it here, or do you want to? I'm trying to be as respectful as I can.
Well, let's just do it like we would any other investigations. Do it in
Okay.
the car.
Okay, Mr. O'Brien, if you'd walk over to my car for me, please. I haven't advised the Miranda.
What's that?
I wouldn't, but do you think I should?
Yeah, let's do fields first.
Okay. I'll be right in front, sir. We'll just come right in front. So, Mr. O'Brien, do you have a driver's license? In your vehicle? Where is your card?
You know where it is.
Yes, it's in there. Okay. It is valid, right? Your license. Okay. Okay. So, Mr. O'Brien, obviously you know what we're doing. Okay, I can smell alcohol on you. I'm getting indicators that you're under the influence of alcohol. How much have you had to drink today? You don't know? Like if you had to guess. 1 or 2. Okay. Obviously you were in a car accident, right? Do you think it was safe for you to be driving? You don't know. Okay. Okay. And that's what I would like to determine. Are you willing to do a standard field sobriety test?
I'd like to go to my car.
Huh?
I'd like to go to my car.
You'd like to go to your car?
Yeah.
We'll do them there. Okay. I don't have a problem with that. Is that okay, sir? He said he'd rather do them at his car. Okay. You don't have any weapons on you, do you, sir? Okay. Do you mind if I do a quick pat search?
No.
Okay. Just to check for weapons. That's all that is. Okay. If you want to turn around. Okay. All right, sir. Let's walk over to the back of my car. You want to have a seat? And I'll just buckle you in, sir. All right, sir. So,
All the way here.
yeah. So before we go any further, I'm gonna advise you of your rights. Okay? Let me pull out my reference card. You know Officer Cambridge, sir? So, Mr. O'Brien, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. Do you understand your rights, Mr. O'Brien? Okay. So Officer Cambridge will probably have some questions as far as like the crash is concerned. Okay. Do you remember the crash?
No.
No? Okay. Do you remember driving over here?
No.
Okay. You don't remember anything at all? What's the last thing you remember, sir?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. So you told me that you had a couple of drinks. Okay, where were you drinking at?
My house.
At your house? Okay. How long ago was your last drink?
This morning.
This morning? About what time would you, if you were to guess?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Okay. Okay. Do you remember what you were drinking? No? Okay. Do you think it was safe for you to be driving at all? Okay. Okay. And you don't know, do you know anybody in this area?
No.
No? You were just, you don't know how you got here, or you don't remember much? Okay. All right.
Last thing you remember is drinking at home, right? Do you know how your truck got here?
And we asked for maintenance too, checks.
I've asked them.
Check out.
No.
No.
I asked them once.
Report, we're
Okay, sorry. So you don't know how your truck got here? Or do you give permission from anybody for your truck to drive? Okay. When was the last time you saw your truck?
In my front yard.
Was this around the same time at 8?
Probably.
That was this morning. So I just watched ring doorbell footage of you walking away from this truck at 1:07, approximately 50 minutes ago. Do you recall doing that?
No.
You don't recall that? Okay. Is there any reason why they would have that on their video footage?
No.
You don't know them, correct?
He's agreed to do standard field sobriety tests.
You do agree to do standardized field sobriety tests?
No.
You don't agree to do standardized field sobriety tests? Okay. So I do have to advise you though, it is right. It is your right to refuse to do so. It's just based on the circumstances. I would have to use everything based the totality of the circumstances to make that decision to arrest or not. With that, I'm not trying to persuade you in any way. I'm just trying to advise you of what you have to take into consideration as well. Right. With that, again, just to ask again, would you be able to do standardized field sobriety tests?
Okay.
No?
Yeah, okay.
You do them? Okay, perfect. All right. So before we get started, do you have any?
I'll move my car.
Yeah. All right. Do you wear corrective lenses, contact lenses, anything in that nature?
I do.
You don't have them on at the moment. Do you wear glasses or is it corrective lenses? Okay. I'll be sure to make note of that. Okay. What happened to your ankle there? The little bump on there. Is that? Was that from this one? No? Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. All right. So for this next test, called the horizontal gaze and nystagmus test, I'm going to be checking your, the eyes. Okay. So I'm just going to have you stand in front of this unit over here, and we'll look away from the sun. We'll turn this way. If you just want to orientate your body right here, just step away from the ground or from the unit a little bit. I'm going to have you place your heels and toes touching together and arms out of your pockets and down by your side, okay? Can you do so with your heels together as well? Mr. O'Brien? A little bit further. There you go. Would you say the ground is level, free of debris? Okay. So I'm going to give you the stimulus. The stimulus is going to be the tip of my finger. I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. You understand? Do you have any questions about the test? Do you understand the test? Okay. If you can get back into frictional position? You're unable to do that? Okay, just try with the best of your ability, okay? Alright, so this next test is called a walk-in turn test. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to have you get into what we call the instructional position, alright? So for this one, I'm going to have you just if you want to stand right there, it's fine. I want you to imagine a line coming from your left foot. Do you see that line? About the width of your foot and straight ahead in front of you, okay? I want you to place your left foot on that line with your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, like such. Arms outside of your pocket and down by your side. And this is what we call the instructional position. You're going to stay in this position until I instruct you to begin, okay? So just waiting for those commands, okay? You can get in that position now, sir. Okay? When I tell you to begin the test, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, all right? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth until you get to your 9th step, all right? When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted. Before I continue, can you get back into your instructional sensor? Thank you. You're going to keep your front foot planted. With your off foot, you're going to take a series of small steps to get turned around and return 9 more heel-to-toe steps on your line, okay? Again, 1, 2, 3. I took 3. You're going to take 9, all right? A couple key things to remember during this test. I want you to look at your feet as you're walking. Count each step that you're taking. Keep your arms outside of your pocket and down by your side, all right? Yes, sir. Just don't put your hands in your pocket. Just keep it out of it and then down by your side, all right? Don't stop until you've completed the test, okay? Do you have any questions about the test at all? Okay, do you understand the test?
I think so.
Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, okay? Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we get started, I'm going to have you get back into your instructional stance.
Right.
And whenever you're ready, sir, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you done with the test, sir? Okay. Okay, you can relax a little bit, sir. Alright, the next test that we call is called the one leg stand. I'm going to have you stand back in front of the unit, okay? Just going to stand just right where that rock is. And just come forward a little bit. Okay, so this next test is called the one leg stand test, alright? So similar to the first one, I'm going to have you set up exactly the same. Heels and toes touching together and arms outside of your pockets and down by your side, okay? Just like such, heels and toes touching. Okay, you're going to stay in this position, alright? So when I tell you to begin the test, I'm going to have you choose either leg up to you, either left or right. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my right leg. All right. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches from the ground. You're going to have your toe pointed forward and elevated parallel to the ground. Okay. 6 inches from the ground, you count out loud in this manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. All right. A couple key things to remember during this test. I want you to keep your eyes on your elevated foot. Count out loud in the manner I had instructed. Keep your hands outside of your pockets and down by your side during the duration of the test. And keep your legs as straight as possible. All right. Do you have any questions about the test? No. Do you understand the test? Okay. Give me 1 second. All right, sir. Whenever you're ready, you may begin. You can continue. You can continue, sir. Okay, you may stop. Stop. Gotcha. All right, sir. On a scale from like 0 to 10, 0 being completely sober, 10 being the most intoxicated you've ever been, where would you put yourself on that scale?
Not.
Not on that scale at all? Okay. And then you said you didn't drive, but do you feel safe to drive?
No, I don't feel good.
You don't feel good right now? Do you feel like you're more intoxicated than you would be to drive that? Or you just don't feel safe to drive? Okay. Is there a reason why you don't feel safe to drive? Okay. All right.
I don't feel good right now.
What do you mean? Do you want a medical attention?
No?
What do you mean you don't feel good?
I don't know. I just don't feel good.
Okay. All right, sir. So, do you know anybody that would be able to come pick up the vehicle?
No.
Where would the keys be for the vehicle? Probably in it? Okay. I wasn't too sure if it was in there or not. But, Mr. O'Brien, unfortunately, today, based on what we've seen, you're going to be under arrest for DWI. Double lock these so I don't get any tighter on you, okay? You can just face the unit over here. That goes on your car. Okay. Open them over. All right, sir, we're gonna walk to this unit on this side. Are there going to be any dependents negatively affected by your arrest, sir?
I don't think so.
All right. We're just going to go to the back of this side.
I give it a phone.
Yeah. We'll bring everything with you, sir. Back for a second. Have a seat for me. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Vehicle is going to be at the 19th residence.
Okay. Let me bring this around. Get you into your seatbelt. Okay. Give me 1 second, okay, sir? Oh, are you able to move your knee at all? Okay. Give me 1 second, okay?
Oh, his stuff is right there.
Just nosy neighbors spilling the tea, man. I don't know.
First Amendment, right? So here is the case number for the crash report, and that's the officer who took it. That's Officer Cambridge. Okay. You're gonna do a insurance claim. Just give them that case number because they're gonna want a copy of the report. That's the truck there, right?
Yes.
And you guys don't know at all?
No.
No, well, he had no reason to be here, or?
No.
Never seen the
Never
truck,
seen him
the guy.
Wow. And you guys got the camera footage?
Yes.
Yeah, we have.
Okay.
I do.
Is there a way we can get that downloaded?
So
We
I
did
sent
send
it
it
to
to
the
him.
other officer.
Okay.
I can send it to you too if you need me to.
That would be perfect. Here, I'll give
Okay.
you my business card.
And then
Did
just so you're aware, it wasn't of the vehicle coming in, it was him walking
Walking away.
after.
We didn't catch him driving in.
does he get out of the truck, or what is
Yeah.
it?
I can
It's
show you
like
real quick.
him walking away. Well, I'll show you the video. It's like just him. Oh, him walking away.
Walking away from the truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But that's it.
All right. Well, we'll get it towed out of here. So, is this your car? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I was like, well, if you want to move that, because there's a tow truck's gonna come and.
Yeah, that's fine.
Work it out.
Do we need to move this one out of the way? So
I don't know. Maybe if we find keys, they're probably gonna jump in and just move it out themselves. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
I originally I speculated from the window to kind of see if there was any keys. I didn't get in to like try to start the vehicle or anything like that, just because I was afraid he was going to come back and try to like
Right.
maneuver back out and hit one of our vehicles again after that.
Right.
So
Do
but
you
I
know
don't
if
know.
anybody actually saw him pull in?
No.
these neighbors were gone. These neighbors were inside. Our landlord was inside. They didn't hear anything.
No camera footage here.
No.
I'll check. And I'll check around and see. Yeah, let me go take care of this truck first, and I'll get with you guys. For
And
a
I
second.
emailed it to you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
41 to that 46. 4713 to 1411.
Glasses. Oh. Power bank.
Unwanted.
You don't need us anymore?
I don't think so.
I know we gave the other gentleman our cell phone number just in case.
I'm sorry?
We gave the other gentleman our cell phone number just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Do you know if the gentleman remembered even coming through here, or?
He said he didn't.
No.
So,
Okay.
yeah, he said he doesn't remember much. So I don't know how true that is, but that's what he's saying.
Gotcha.
So,
Sounds good. Well, at least.
yeah.
We figured we'd ask just because, I mean...
No, I get it. Yeah, he doesn't remember, and
I'm kind of glad we got here enough time before he tried to come back and take his vehicle out somewhere else. So.
right. It looks like he got stuck.
Yeah.
It looks like he drove in pretty far, pretty deep. He must have thought he lived here or something, because
He must have got stuck in multiple places.
yeah, because he pulls all the way up.
Yeah.
Well,
there.
he pulled all the way right here, like right where the hose is. Ran over the sunflowers. Apparently got stuck there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, he came this way first and then tried to back out.
Yeah, I mean,
And then, obviously, if you need to know, I know that he hit. You can see that he hit here, there, and then the two places in the
well, yeah,
and
that
we
makes sense,
We're
because
kind of guessing that that's prior damage. So
it's possible. I mean, who knows where
he came from.
Yeah, he's saying he doesn't remember, so I don't know.
That's the scary part, because it was so close to our house. We have a gas line right out front, too.
Right.
So
Well,
it could have been a lot worse.
Thank God he didn't, like, even just run in right here.
Mm-hmm.
We have
Because
dogs.
our dogs are literally, like, right along this wall.
Right. Was the guy in the white shirt, that's your landlord?
Yes.
Okay. But you guys actually live
We
here.
live
Yeah,
here.
we
Okay.
rent this place.
Okay.
But essentially, the paperwork and everything was going to go through him because he'll have to do whatever.
Right,
insurance
because
claim and
it's
stuff's going
because
on.
it's his property and
Yeah.
that was damaged and stuff. Yeah, it's a nice retaining wall. I mean,
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, that could have been damaged way more, too.
well, you can see it pushed it in.
Yeah.
Just pushed in, but I
Pushed
think
in here and pushed in there. So, okay, well, we'll take care of this truck. We got the key, so they'll probably be able to just back it out. It's usually what they do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, we appreciate you guys. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You guys have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Tell the guy I want my watermelon back too. He smashed it. Just
Yeah,
kidding.
and it was our first one, and it was like this big.
Really?
Yeah, right
Where-
underneath the truck.
Right where the...
Oh, right here. You guys planted it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was a watermelon.
Burned out on him now.
Right.
Hey, can you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
For DWI,
Yeah?
you need to, leaving the scene of an accident, and so far that's what I'm coming up with. I can give you more information. You'll have a detailed sheet about what the charges as well.
Okay.
O'Brien was placed on administrative leave and his trial is pending.